Hello, and today at Finextra at Sibos, I'm speaking to Jonathan Williams of Experian Payments. So Jonathan, I'm going to give you the big what is everyone talking about at Sibos question. So, what have you been hearing so far at the show?
So I've been to a number of the sessions, and there are really three key topics. There's compliance with regulation and also how standards enable banks and corporates to do that. But there is a big challenge, which is the third part of the puzzle, how to do regulation and standards whilst actually innovating at the same time, and whether they get in the way or whether they enable it. There are some specific topics that were being discussed here as well. So Dodd-Frank 1073 and SEPA compliance, which is both quite surprising for a Sibos based in Asia, given that those are two initiatives for the US and for Europe.
I mean, of course, regulations are financial services, most favorite topic, but it does seem that Dodd-Frank is a much bigger issue with delegates at this year's show in Osaka.
Absolutely. I mean, we started picking up a lot of buzz about Dodd-Frank earlier on the year at a different payments conference. But certainly it's one of the key topics here. Taking a step back, I think a lot of the regulation these days now relates to customer confidence in payments, making sure that individuals know that their payments are going to get to the right destination in a sensible length of time. And Dodd-Frank goes a long way to go help with that, but it also imposes some quite onerous requirements on the originating bank to make sure that data is valid right at the start of the process. And of course, if data isn't valid, those payments won't get to the right destination, those customers won't be happy with the payments failure and payments rejection. It's a big challenge.
So how big are those issues? What are the implications of this?
Sure. So it's really difficult to go and put a handle on the exact size of those payments, but in the US we've got now somewhere in the region of 14 billion payments every year, which probably equates to about 1 or 2 billion database entries. Typically that could cost about 70 to 80 dollars for a rejection to handle it end to end. So we're talking about quite a sizable amount of money, somewhere in the region of $80 billion in terms of actually fixing that size of problem.